2-for-1 unboxing of the Realme 10 Pro and our 10 Pro Plus. Starting with the 10 Pro Plus, let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, as usual, we have our "Hey, welcome to the Realme family" instruction manual. So if we open this up, it's going to come with the manual and the case. You also have to look a little bit closer and you have the SIM ejector slot. But I'm more interested in seeing what's on the back of this phone. So, okay. As you can see, this is our hyperspace color, but it also comes in dark matter and nebula blue. It's got a super light in-hand feel. It's a super thin 7.78 millimeters and weighs only 173 grams. As for the battery and charging, this comes with a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery and a 67 watt super
that can charge up to
50% in 17 minutes. And for display, you have a crystal clear 120 Hz 6.7 inch AMOLED curved display. And it's this curved display that is actually the key feature of this series because it is not a feature that has made it to the mid-range, and I think we nailed it. It's really a premium feature. The performance is also unmatched in this segment with the Dimensity 1085G with an Antutu score well over 500,000. It also gives you 24 gigabytes of dynamic RAM. And last but not least, we have the primary camera, which is 108 megapixels. The amount of pixel info that you get in every picture is unbelievable, and it's actually the foundation of our amazing one-take software, which intelligently crops photos into smaller, clear photos. Okay, now let's move on to the 10 Pro. All of this is basically the same as in our previous, and now you can see that this is also the hyperspace color. There's some major differences between these two. One of them is that this has a Snapdragon 695 5G chipset instead of the Dimensity 1080. It also has a flat screen display, but the display uses a 6.72-inch boundless display and has Razer technology, which means that it suctions the screen from the inside without the use of glue, which maximizes the screen area. And as you can see, this screen is actually over a 93% screen to body ratio, which is amazing. So like we said, we call it our boundless display. This phone also comes with 16 gigabytes of dynamic RAM. You can take your base 8 gigabyte RAM and add an extra 8 gigabytes on top of it from your phone's memory. The camera setup itself is similar to the 10 Pro Plus in that it also has a 108 megapixel primary camera and comes with our next level photography software, including the one take. One of the other major differences between the two phones is that it comes with our 33 watt Dart charge. As you can see, these are two super solid phones with tons of leap forward technology packed into them. For the 10 Pro Plus, we have 3 colors. We have dark matter, hyperspace, and nebula blue. And for the 10 Pro, we have hyperspace and dark matter. They made a major dent on the segment, and I'm happy that I get to show them off. So I hope you enjoy learning about these phones, and until next time, I'm